Hello everyone. My name is Siddhi Vinayak, and I'm from Maharashtra. I've completed my MBA in digital marketing and data science. I have 3 years of experience. 1 year I have experience of working in an industry. So there I've worked on projects like Big Basket and Domino's. So I used to get the marketing data of Big Basket and Domino's, these two big clients. The marketing data of spending 5 crore rupees each month. So it was a huge data where we need to analyze what are the trends going on, what are the top SKUs that are trending, and what is our, what are the key parameters that are going correct or wrong. So analysis of all these things on Excel using some Python tools and other visualization tools. So that was my experience. After that, I thought of, I was given an opportunity of training. So I was giving training for 1 year in Digital Movie, where I used to give the training of all the same thing of Python course, as well as the Excel sheet and data visualization tools like Power BI and Tableau. And after that, now working of 1 year in that company, I thought that I should go with some freelancing kind of thing. And I've started my one batch where I teach myself. So in this, I counsel student myself only, and I do it on my freelance basis. So can I start with the screen sharing then?
Yes, sure.
Yeah. Okay then. So basically, as per my discussion, we will be covering 5 different tools. So that is Excel, Python, Power BI, Tableau, and SQL language. So in Excel, I'll be teaching students all the basic level of Excel and all the advanced level of Excel that is needed for the data analysis. So whatever big data we will be getting in the Excel format or in the CSV format. So removing duplicates or any kind of formatting, conditioning, or adding some filters or anything, or taking some statistical analysis directly from means extra data analysis buttons over here. So how to enable that and how to get all this analysis in one shot. So all these things will be getting over here. So in Excel, basically all the statistical kind of things that I will be teaching from basics to advanced, so that the data analysis will be easy. Also, some data visualization in the Excel only we will be teaching with the help of some graphs, pie charts, or any line chart, depends on the data. Okay. Then coming to the Python. In the Python also from basics we can teach, but not totally from basics. There will be 3 sessions which will cover a quick review of Python. So in the Python, I can assume that they are knowing some kind of Python, at least a little bit, how to install and everything. So they have their compiler ready. And then I can start with some initial Python notebooks for 3 days, where I will be teaching them a very quick kind of manner, but that will be all basics. So in the first 3 days, we will be giving them some practice kind of notebooks so they can execute all the basic functions used in the Python. After that, we will be directly starting with some analyzing kind of things. We will be importing the files and then we will be working on that file. So as you can see, I have already started different kind of things that I will be covering in this session. So for Python language, I'll be teaching students all the analysis based on how data mining is there. In the data mining, there are different kind of, we can teach different kind of analysis. There is a separate text analytics section. There is separate voice analysis section. There is separate sentiment analysis section. So we can teach all these sections or whatever you need in the syllabus. After that, we can also teach them how to visualize data in the Python also using some Matplot libraries, and we can teach them how to scrape the data. So scraping is also important when it comes to getting the data, importing the data from, let's say, from Twitter or from any website. So we can also teach them how to scrape the data and then perform some actions on that. Then coming to Power BI and everything, Power BI, Tableau, this kind of data visualization tool. So we can basically teach them, teach the students how to visualize the data, how to connect the Excel and everything to this, how to connect your Excel workbook or how to get your data into this. And then how to visualize this. So this is one of the project that I'm teaching to my students. It's about the stock market prediction algorithm. So I have already taught how to run this algorithm in Python. Okay, and now I just want them to visualize it, to show this as in the dashboard. So you can see there are different kind of things that can be visualized along with the hyperlink. So this is the unique thing that I teach in my course, that not only the static visualization will be there, but also the dynamic visualization will be there. So if someone wants some news over here or anything that is need to be dynamically updated, that can also be included in the data visualization tool. So there are different kind of tabs over here. So all this will be covered. And talking about the SQL, we will be also seeing the basic SQL to the advanced level of SQL. So how to actually deal with all the data, what are the basics of means how the tables are created, how modified, or what are the primary keys, foreign keys, and everything. And after that, how we can actually connect our SQL to the database and extract all this data as and when needed. So SQL is basically intermediate, where we extract all the data from our data centers or databases. And when that data is extracted, for that specifically data, we perform some kind of Python data analysis techniques. Based on the data analysis techniques, we teach them visualization. So the sequence that I will be teaching is, first we will be teaching them as Excel, because Excel is little bit easy and they will come to know how we are dealing with statistical analysis and visualization little bit. After that, we will be teaching them little bit of Python and SQL. So SQL is basically just, I will be teaching them how to extract data so that they will be familiar how to use the SQL for this kind of thing. After that, we'll be teaching them Python in depth. And after that, and at the end, we will be teaching them Power BI and Tableau for the data visualization. So whatever visualization will be there, it will be covered over here. I think I'm done with this.
Yeah, Siddhinayak, okay, thank you for the demo. And I have one doubt, like, do you provide the Python training only in Jupyter Notebook or any other tool?
No, means I usually give it on the Google Colab, so that means it will be, means like Google Sheets, Google Colab, everything will be online and they can just share me the link. So if there is any problem, we can just solve it on the.
Yeah, and what are the topics you are covered, like in Tableau, Power BI, Python, SQL also you are covered, right?
Yes, SQL also cover.
Other than Excel, that's it, right? That 5 courses you are going to cover, right?
Yes, 5 courses. As per my discussion with one of your members, in
Okay.
what I will be teaching them, whatever
Okay.
data we will get in Excel,
Okay.
that little bit visualization is there, but more of statistical analysis is there. After that,
Okay.
SQL will be teaching them how it acts as an intermediate to extract the data from our data bases. The SQL language, we will extract our big data, convert it into our files, and after that, we perform some actions on that files. So in Python also, data analysis, text analytics, voice analysis, sentiment analysis we can cover, so that each and every kind of data analytics will be covered over there. All different kind of algorithms, how we can analyze the different kind of data.